Welcome to our giant carpet factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how millions of colorful carpets are made, from raw fibers to
To maintain perfect color consistency, our automated systems use a closed-loop spectrophotometry process, constantly monitoring the dye bath.
The temperature in vat 3 is fluctuating slightly. Ramping up the cooling sequence now.
Advanced weaving technology creates complex patterns at remarkable speed.
Every carpet is carefully inspected before leaving the factory.
And that's how millions of colorful carpets are made, from raw fibers to beautiful floor coverings enjoyed around the world.